Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I tried to set up this camera and it wasn't working, and quite frankly I'm over it, so I'm just gonna hold it. But welcome back to my channel. JC from Just Lost JC here. So you know what I decided to do? Well, first of all, let's address how my hair looks. Yeah, so it's about time to wash my hair, as you do, you know how that goes. But I decided that I wanted to do again the Banana Baby Food deep conditioner that I love, that I have not done in ages. So we're gonna do a little rewind on my channel, and I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna find that baby food, banana baby food that I need, which is one of the reasons why I stopped doing it, because I found it really hard to find just plain banana food. So you know what? We're gonna hit the streets and we're gonna do this and we're gonna get it popping. Sorry I didn't have the music dancing intro, but it's not a time for jokes. God damn it. Anyway, let's go. Yes, 90% of the time I am dressed like somebody's soccer mom or somebody's pee-wee basketball coach. Mango and avocado, like where is just the banana? I can't. Okay, back on the road. That first stop was such a fail, and this is why I haven't done this in like 4 or 5 years now. Anyway, hopefully this next spot has something regular. I don't even I'm so annoyed. Okay, anyway. It was a success. Dollar General. They had it, so I am going home. Thank God it wasn't $1, so that's a misnomer. It was $1.30, so yeah. But anyway, we got it. We got 2. I think that'll be enough for me whole head for the one time, because we mix it with other stuff. Anyway, I'm so excited, guys. This DIY is pretty simple. All you need is baby food, banana baby food, extra virgin olive oil, and honey, and that's it. What's up? Okay, so we're here. I already did the back 2 sections off camera. I'm gonna pin that up. We're gonna do this. You see how this looks all dry and stuff. So we're gonna use our handy Zanzi, which is spray it with water. Get it as wet as possible. This is what we have. Just mush in there. Oh man, it instantly just feels way more moisturized, which I love. Get some more of that. Oh man, the way my hair just felt versus how it feels now, ooh, a huge difference. Stuff works, man. Okay. I'm gonna divide this section in half. And then I just use this and detangle pretty much. Get more of that in there. Important, try and get all this shed hair out, because we need it out. Very simple, very simple leave-in, deep moisturizing deep conditioner, which my hair needed this time. Very moisturized. And then I just finger detangle. And what you want to do is run it through and then use your fingers to separate. Now I only use one thing of baby food for my whole head, but my hair this time around needs a lot of moisture, so I added a different conditioner to it. So what I would do is this, like what I'm doing, you see me doing now, add the baby food mixture first into the hair so that this is the main thing. It soaks up, it really moisturizes it right away. It's huge difference. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm mad. Use this for as long as I can to get out the shed hairs, and also use it to finger detangle as much as I can. And I'm going to be very, very gentle with the ends. Hold this part of the hair. Yeah, take the hand, finger in. Separate, separate, separate. Go through that chunk. And of course, if you're using a comb, that's fine too, but I don't. I use my fingers, so do it like this. And you can already see, you guys saw how it looked at first, and now look at it. Once it's mainly finger detangled and stuff and really moisturized with the banana baby food, then I like to go in with my Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle, just for some extra, because I really want to coat the hair since it is really in need of moisture this time around. Not protein, just moisture. Now I'm going in with this, which is a great, it's a Tea Tree Tingle by Trader Joe's. I've used this on my channel so much. Silicone free conditioner, but I top that off this section. Get some more water in there. And at this point the hair is already detangled. This is just giving that extra moisture on top. And then of course, you want to rake it through. Rake it on through. Anytime you feel a tingle, stop, take your time, get your fingers through it. Slowly but surely. See, we got a mini knot towards the end here. Simple. If you pull lightly, it's usually a shed hair in there or something like that, so that's causing it. And if you pull lightly, they'll slide right out. Especially if you have a lot of conditioner in when you're detangling, like I do at this moment. Oh man, I love this stuff. I love doing this, especially when my hair needs moisture. I think this is the perfect time for me to do it because, like, my hair, it needs the moisture this round. A lot of times I can just get away with using something that's more protein based, like my 10-in-1 Shea Moisture Renewal grape superfruit or something like that, renewal thing. That works perfect to like harden the hair and give it that boom that it needs. But today we don't need that boom. We need moisture, baby, moisture. So I reckon I'm done with this side. So I'm gonna do a bit of a coat, one more coat with the banana baby food now, just to have that set in there. Completely detangled. And so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do that part off camera because why do it on camera? But yeah, I switched it up this time. Usually I know when I detangle my hair on camera, I'm usually doing the back sections. And I was like, that's a bit boring. Let me do the middle. It's like totally different textures. Like this texture is not the same as the back. The back is way more shrinkage, way less like, you know, wavy-ish, stringy looking. The middle is more stringy, wavy looking than the back, which is why I like the back, because the back, it knows what it wants to do. There's no flip-flopping, no wishy-washiness. It is what it is. It's more tight, but it gets more detangled easy because they know exactly where they want to clump into. They know what they're doing. They're professionals, okay? Professionalism. So yeah, this is the second half of this chunk of my hair. So I'm going to detangle that the same way I did the first half. I'll get all the shed hairs out and then twist the two halves together. And that'll be that. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys how I used the conditioner, how I made it. It's a fun video of me reusing something that I love for the first time in a very, very long time. So hopefully you guys like it. I'm going to link below the video a more detailed, slower version of me, making the conditioner. I made it a long time ago, so don't judge your looks or go there and comment down below like, came here from your other video. That'd be so funny to see, but you can definitely see the change up. Still the same bathroom, but you know, things changed up a little bit. Lighting's a bit better, all that jazz, camera quality a bit better. But yeah, you can go check that video out if you want a more detailed look at how I detangled, and I believe I demoed how I detangled on the back section of my hair in that video. Yeah, I just, look at this. You would think I had like heat damage or something. The way, the middle section of my hair, I just don't understand it. Why does it look like this? This is what I'm talking about when I say it looks just like it doesn't know what it wants to do. I like towards the back of my hair, the coils there. I should do a video trying to see if I could find the different patterns. Hair is, oh man, it's so interesting. So interesting. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if you make this conditioner, if you love it, if you don't love it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. My hands are all dirty. How do I?